If you run a law firm in Australia, professional indemnity insurance is not optional. It is a mandatory requirement for legal practice in every state and territory. Beyond the statutory obligation, the insurance program of a law firm needs to reflect the full scope of the professional and commercial risks that running a legal practice creates. Getting your coverage right is both a regulatory requirement and a fundamental risk management obligation. Here is what cover law firms need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Professional indemnity insurance for lawyers is mandatory and is regulated by the Law Society or Bar Association in each jurisdiction. The minimum levels required vary by state and practice area, but the statutory minimum is a floor rather than the appropriate level for most practices. Your professional indemnity covers claims arising from your legal work, negligent advice, errors in documentation, fail to advise on limitations periods, or breaches of duty. The quantum of claims in legal practice can be substantial, and carrying only the minimum required level of cover can leave a practice significantly exposed on a major claim. Work with your professional association or a specialist legal practice insurer to determine appropriate cover levels for your practice size and areas of law. Cyber liability insurance is increasingly essential for law firms. You hold sensitive client information, financial data, and confidential commercial documents. A cyber incident, ransomware, a data breach, or a fraudulent funds transfer creates both direct financial loss and regulatory obligations under Australian privacy law. Law firms are a specific target for cyber criminals because of the sensitive and commercially valuable data they hold. Public liability insurance covers non-clinical injury and property damage on your premises. Client and visitor injuries in your offices are public liability matters distinct from your professional indemnity coverage. Business interruption insurance covers revenue loss if an insured event forces your practice to close. Law firm revenue is time-based and cannot easily be recovered. A period of forced closure represents genuine and largely unrecoverable income loss. Fidelity or crime insurance covers your practice against theft by employees, fraudulent instructions, and financial crime. For practices handling significant client funds through trust accounts, Fidelity insurance is a prudent addition to the insurance program. What does it cost? Legal professional indemnity premiums vary significantly based on practice size, areas of law, revenue, and claims history. High-risk areas such as property, financial advice, and litigation attract higher premiums. Cyber, business interruption, and other covers add additional annual costs. Work with an advisor who specializes in professional services or legal practice insurance. Use the free business insurance finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your law firm. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options. No obligation.